Hi friends, this is S. Madanachari, physical science teacher. I want to present you learning physical science unit 3 acids, bases and salt, some concepts which student feel confused. I hope this will help you. Before start lesson, take a look on memory methods are used in this unit. They are symbol method, linking method, analytical method, acronyms, and last story method. The topics covered in shortcut method is first one reaction of acids and bases with methyl orange. Second topic reaction of acids and bases with phenolphthalein. Third one lab activity equation. Fourth one activity 4, activity 5 and activity 6 equations. Fifth one pH scale. Sixth one importance of pH in everyday life. Seventh one uses of common salt. Eighth one uses of bleaching powder. Ninth one uses of baking soda. 10th one uses of washing soda. 11th one uses of plaster of Paris. Now enter in topic 1 reaction of acids and bases with methyl orange. What color you'll get? For this one, simple, only one sentence. My birthday in March. Once again I am repeating. My birthday in March. There one sentence is there. In that, which are capital letters that will expand, you will get acid react with methyl orange, base react with methyl orange, you will get colors. C my first letter, first word my. M means methyl orange, Y means yellow. my methyl orange, yellow. B for base. When methyl orange reacting with base, you will get yellow color. Now go to last word March. In March, capital M, capital A, capital R. Capital M means methyl orange react with acid A. You will get that solution give red color. So in this way, simply remembering only one sentence, students, you can write easily that two reactions. One is methyl orange reacting with acid, methyl orange reacting with base. Now move to topic 2 acids and bases reaction with phenolphthalein. This is also same as first topic, only one sentence. That sentence is AP have no BP patients. AP have no BP patients. Simple one word. If you expand that capital letters I mentioned in the slide, A for acid, P for phenolphthalein. Acid reacting with phenolphthalein, no means no color. When acid reacting with phenolphthalein, you will get solution no color. Next part, BP patience. B for base, P for phenolphthalein. Base reacting with phenolphthalein. Patient means P for pink. You will get pink color. So in this one sentence, you can remember two reactions of indicators. Now enter in topic 1, reaction of acids and bases with methyl orange. What color you will get? For this one, simple, only one sentence. My birthday in March. Once again I am repeating. My birthday in March. There one sentence is there. In that, which are capital letters, that will. Now moving to topic 3, lab activity equation. Take a look on reactants chart and products chart. I am taking reactants and products from lab activity and activity 4, activity 5, activity 6. Here total 6 reactants, 4 products are there. For them I gave numbers, allotted numbers. If using these numbers, student can learn easily what will the product will come by practice. Let us see example lab activity equation. Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen. Acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Acid number in reactants chart 1, metal number in reactants chart 3 gives rise to salt. Salt number in product chart 1 and hydrogen number 3. So 1 plus 3 gives rise to 1 plus 3. Here this is the pattern I created that student can learn excited and see the beauty in the arrangement, and they can practice easily by this chart. Move to next topic, activity 4 equation. Here also I did same as lab activity equation. Metal carbonate reacting with acid gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. I am writing numbers allotted in reactant chart. So metal carbonate 4 plus acid means 1. It gives rise to salt 1, carbon dioxide 4, water 2. 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 2, or 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 gives rise to 1 plus 4 plus 2. So in this way students can practice easily. Next topic, same as in place of metal carbonate I am taking metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate reacting with acid gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Same as metal hydrogen carbonate number also same as 4, acid 1, salt means already you remember salt means 1, carbon dioxide 4, water means 2. So metal carbonates with reacting with acid you got same products. Metal with metal hydrogen carbonate reacting with acid, there also you got same products. So in this way metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate are both are same nature. Now move to next topic, activity 5 equation, learning about activity 5 and activity 6 equation easily. See there, if activity 5 equation, base plus acid gives rise to salt plus water. I gave numbers. Base means 2, acid 1, salt plus water 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 gives rise to 1 plus 2, or you can write base is second, acid first. Acid plus base also you gives rise to salt plus water only you get. So you can write 1 plus 2 gives rise to 1 plus 2. This is the beauty in this arrangement. Next one, activity 6 equations. Metal oxide reacting with acid gives rise to salt plus water. Metal oxide, same compared to activity 5 equation, activity 5 with activity 6, second reactant is acid in 5. In activity 6 also second reactant is acid same, but here starting reactant in first activity equation 5 base is there, here metal oxide. In place of base, metal oxide reacting with acid also you got same salt plus water. So in this way student can understand metal oxide and base both are same nature. Now go to next reaction, non-metal oxide reacting with base, you will get salt plus water 1 plus 2. If you see in this screen, all products are 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. So student can understand salt plus water are the products in this activity 5 and activity 6 equations. So student can understand easily these reactions. From above 3 slides, from lab activity, activity 4, activity 5 and activity 6 equations, we can conclude that reactants are different but products are almost salt and water. And revision you can do in this way allotted as reactant chart number. Students can revise easily and they can practice easily. Next one, acid and non-metal oxide 1 and 6 both are same nature, that student can find easily. Next one, base and metal oxide both are same nature. Last point, metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonates are also base. Now move to learn about topic pH scale. I am writing as a pH cycle diagram picture name. Why? Because some students get confused in writing strong acids and strong bases. So I draw a picture like a pH cycle. Here front from 0, that is two circles are there, front one circle, back side one circle. I'm imagining that first one is one tire of the cycle, second one is second tire. So in this way student can learn easily this diagram, pH cycle diagram of pH, and they can remember easy which are strong acids and which are strong base if you practice in this way. Move to next topic, importance of pH in everyday life. Here this is an important question to learn knowledge and earn marks also. This is a question you may ask in 1 mark, 2 marks or 4 marks. So I prepared in this way, you can write easily. For 1 mark, if you ask what are the importance of pH in everyday life, you can write simply pH means P3. P3 means P for plants and animals, P for pain, P for stomach, P cube. If you P cube, learn P cube expand form, you can write 1 mark. If you ask 2 marks about any, here three topics are there about plants and animals, tooth decay and digestive system. If you ask about plants and animals, what are the importance of plants and animals in pH in everyday life, you can write answer by seeing this table. Simply add each point horizontally, then you can write easily. See, I am writing how you can write the answer. I am explaining. First topic, plants and animals due to cause of acid rain. In plants and animals, cause of acid rain, pH range goes less than 5.6. Acid rain flows in river water, so they get, plants and animals get survival problem. For this control, you have to solution for this one is control pollution. Second topic, if you ask about tooth decay will cause of bacteria when pH range goes less than 5.5. Bacteria produces acids by degradation of food particles. They will get tooth decay problem. For this solution, you have to use toothpaste which is in basic nature. Like that, you can add dialysis system. If you can write dialysis system also in this way. Dialysis system, in indigestion, cause of indigestion, pH range goes less than 3.5. Release too much acid in stomach, you will get problem, irritation and pain. For this solution, you have to use antacids. Example, magnesium hydroxide we can call milk of magnesia. You can write easily for 4 marks answer using this table. Now move to another topic, uses of common salt. Common salt formula NaCl called sodium chloride. You can write 4 uses of common salt. Simply remember acronym method. Salt, example NaCl. This NaCl is the example of salt. We have so many salts, but this is common salt we have used in our daily life. So salt, I am writing salt. In salt, first letter S means soda. We have to learn about 2 sodas. One is baking soda, another one is washing soda. So S, from S you can write baking soda, washing soda. Next one, NaCl is there. From Na, in NaCl, from Na you can write NaOH, and Cl, from Cl you can write directly Cl. So you are getting 4 uses, simply writing their name and formula. It is raw material in baking soda, and it is sodium chloride is raw material in washing soda, and it is raw material in sodium hydroxide, and preparation of chlorine, sodium chloride is used. So in this way you can write easily 4 uses from formula itself, name and formula. Next topic, uses of baking soda. Formula is sodium hydrogen carbonate. You can call NaHCO3. So if you want to write uses of baking soda easily, simply remember baking word and remember bakery story. Imagine one story. You always goes to the bakery to buy baking powder from auntie. She carries fire extinguisher in her purse. Once again I am repeating, you always goes to the bakery to buy baking powder from auntie. She carries fire extinguisher in her purse. So from this keywords, what are keywords? I marked with red pen, shown in red color. Baking powder, auntie, fire extinguisher. So uses of baking soda is, it is preparation of baking powder, it is used. and used in antacids, and it is used as antiseptic. These both terms you can remember by anti word. Anti means antacids, antiseptic, and it is used in fire extinguisher. So from these four topics you can remember by story and you can write easily. Move to next topic. Use of bleaching powder. Formula CaOSCl2. We call this is as calcium oxychloride. Simply using acronym method, you can write uses of calcium oxychloride, 5 uses. Let us see how. Here in screen, right side you have 5 words, expanded forms. C for cotton, O for oxidizing agent, Cl cloth, Cl cleaning, Cl chloroform. C for cottons, O for oxidizing agent, Cl for cloth, Cl for cleaning, Cl for chloroform. Now I am writing calcium oxychloride formula with some space. By C means you can write cotton and paper industry, add one paper word, cotton and paper industry. O for oxidizing agent in chemical industry, second point. Cl2 is there, I am writing 3 uses using Cl letter. First one is cloth bleaching, and next one cleaning of water, disinfecting of water, disinfecting of germs you can write. Last one, preparation of chloroform or chloroform preparation. These 5 uses, these are uses of bleaching powder. Next topic, uses of washing soda. Formula is sodium carbonate. Washing means festival. Why I am writing washing means festival? Because in Indian system, we wash our home materials like cloths, glass materials, and all we clean with in festival season only. So washing means I got word in festival. So in festival season, imagine in festival season we clean or you cleaning glass material with soap and make clean with paper. After completion of work, we eat sweet in borax glass, drunk water which is removed permanent hardness. So this is the story. Once again I am repeating. In festival season we clean glass materials with soap and clean with paper. We eat sweet in borax glass, drunk water which is removed permanent hardness in that. So by this way you can write uses of washing soda. This washing soda is used in glass, soap, paper industry, used in manufacture of borax glass, used for removing permanent hardness of water. Next, move to last topic, uses of plaster of Paris. Formula is CaSO4 H2O. We call it as calcium sulfate hemihydrate, chemical name. So in this plaster of Paris I am taking a word which is familiar to me or you also. Paris, this is Paris. You went to Paris. I created a story. You went Paris trip. Paris is famous for toys, decorated materials, and Paris walls are smooth. You got accident and fractured bone in your Paris trip. So Once again repeating, you went Paris. Paris is famous for toys, decorated materials, and Paris walls are smooth. You observed Paris walls are smooth, and you got accident, fractured bone in your Paris trip. From using this story, you can write plaster of Paris is used for making toys, and it is used for material decoration material, and it is used for making surface smooth, and it is used for supporting fractured bones. In this way, if you write these 4 uses, sodium chloride, bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda, you can use acronym method and to acronym method to story method. You can write easily, no need to confuse. So if you like this video, please subscribe